Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this heating pad from the manufacturer Winfo for review. This is model number RU002. So let's unpack it, look at its features, give it a try. Okay, it comes with a user manual. Okay, let's unfold the heating pad. Very good size. This is the bottom side. Here's the controller. Okay, this heating pad is a very good size. It's 12 inches by 24 inches, made of very soft material, Microsoft mink, flannel, so very soft on both sides. The pad will be heated from the entire area, width to length. Okay, it has a 7-foot electrical cord, so it allows you to reach electrical outlet at a longer distance. Okay, let's take a closer look at the control. To turn the heating pad on, you just press this center power button and it will automatically come on to its lowest setting, number 1 or L, which stands for low. And it has 10 different settings. To increase the settings, you just press this plus sign. You can see setting number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 and 10. And 10 will be labeled H, which stands for high. So at its high setting is 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and its lowest setting is 104. So this will allow you to experiment with different settings that meet your comfort need. And the heating pad is already heating up very quickly. The thing I like about this controller, it has an auto off feature that will automatically turn off after 120 minutes or 2 hours. So this heating pad feels great for your stomach, your chest, for your legs, your back and shoulders. And look who else enjoys this heating pad. Another feature I like about this heating pad is it's completely machine washable. You just simply turn the power off and then disconnect the electrical source. A quick toss in the wash machine, set on gentle wash, then once washed, and then just let it hang till dry. Once the pad is completely dried, you want to plug the AC cord back into the pad itself, and there's only one way that this cord can fit into these slots. You just press it in, reconnect the power, and then it's ready to be used again. So I highly recommend this heating pad from Winfo.